Hello friends. So a cleaning tip for the top of a flat stove. So what you need to get is yourself a razor blade. You can purchase these anywhere, Canadian Tire, but get a good one so it'll last you. So basically, you have to get under the underneath the buildup. So what you do is you take your time and scrape this off, and it'll come off. And then after, I sit here and probably spend about 20 minutes getting this off. Then again, I take Super Clean and I'll soak the whole thing and leave it for like 20 minutes, and then it'll wipe right off. But I'll continue this video after I'm done.